How to enable dark mode on Twitch. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Twitch on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top left corner of your screen. In the gear icon, click on Preferences. After you click on Preferences in here, you will find App Theme. Click on App Theme. You'll find different options. Press on Dark, which is the second option. After you press on Dark, as you can see, dark mode has been enabled on Twitch. And this is how to enable dark mode on Twitch app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.